Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade rock candy. First, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and a clean glass jar. For the crystal formation, prepare a wooden skewer or a piece of cotton string. If you want to add color or taste, have your food coloring and flavorings ready. Now, let's create the supersaturated sugar solution. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly, until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's crucial not to boil the solution for too long, as this can prevent proper crystal formation. Once clear, remove it from the heat. Next, prepare your seed crystal. Dip a wooden skewer or string into the warm sugar syrup, then roll it in granulated sugar. These tiny sugar particles will act as nucleation sites for your rock candy. Carefully suspend the sugared skewer in your clean jar, ensuring it hangs freely without touching the bottom or sides. This setup allows for optimal crystal growth. Patience is key for the final step. Place your jar in a cool, undisturbed location and allow the crystals to grow for 7 to 14 days. You'll see beautiful formations appearing over time. Once your rock candy reaches your desired size, carefully remove it from the jar and let it dry. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.